Hello, I'm Worldwide as the third year chemical engineering student from UTM. In this video, I'm going to talk about the standard operating procedure of jogging.
There are a few things you need to take note before jogging. Firstly, people who are below 12 years old or above 60 years old are not recommended to go out. If you have the symptoms of COVID-19 such as fever, fatigue, loss of taste or smell, or any other symptoms, you must do the swab test immediately and self-quarantine yourself until you know the final result of the swab test. Now I'm checking my body temperature. Great, I'm not having the fever. I can go for jogging since it gives me the good condition. You can prepare a mask within your pocket or wear a mask before arriving the destination to jog. Yes, it's time to do adequate warm-up activity like stretching to prevent myself to be injured such as muscle strain. As a gentle reminder, make sure the place where you want to jog is not so many people to avoid one of the 3C, which is crowded place. Next, there are some reminders to be taken note during jogging. If you are wearing a mask, you are reminded to take off the mask before start to jog. This is because wearing a mask during jogging will increase the risk to hinder your breathing capacity. Wait, what are you doing? You are not supposed to give a high five to the other people. If you have COVID-19 virus, it will be spread among people who are close contact in a prolonged period. Therefore, you are advised to give a greeting gesture such as waving a hand or give a greeting verbally instead of physical interaction. In order to practice the social distancing, you are required to maintain at least 3-meter distance since jogging is a dynamic activity. What should you need to do after jogging? If you check the MySejahtera application and you realize that the place where you are jogging have a high risk of COVID-19, you are required to go home as soon as possible. Finally, I have arrived my house. Now, I'm cleaning my hands using hand sanitizer before entering the house. After that, you are advised to go for the shower to let yourself clean.
Just now I'm talking about jogging at the outdoor, but how about jogging in the indoor? Let's find out.
Generally, the SOP is same as when you are jogging at the outdoor. However, some of the points you need to take note. You are required to wear a mask before and after jogging when you jog in a premise such as gymnasium. When you are entering a premise, you must use MySejahtera check-in or write your details such as name, telephone number, and your temperature in a given book for the purpose of tracking close contact. After getting back to home, don't forget to dispose your mask wisely. In order to reduce the active cases of COVID-19, every citizen plays a very important role by changing our norms of life and following the SOP that is set by the government for creating this miracle again. That's all from me. I will end my video with this Malay advice. Marilah kita jaga kita kerana bersama kita teguh, bercerai kita roboh. Thank you for your watching.